I think everybody needs to have like a super fast 5 or 10 minute dessert idea in their repertoire, and this is just that. This is my frozen berries with white hot chocolate. It is so simple. I think it uses like 4 ingredients. 5, I think 4 if you're using a splash of rum like I do. But all you have to do is melt some white chocolate into whipping cream on the stove or in a microwave, whatever you gotta do, and then whip out your fanciest like little stemmed dishes. You can use wine glasses, stemless wine glasses are really, really great. And just make it look pretty because it's kind of natural and kind of awesome. Okay, let's do this. So on the stove, on low heat, because we don't want to burn anything, we just add the white chocolate to the cream and then stir it to let it melt. So the thing with working with white chocolate is that it is quite temperamental. You have to melt it slowly and stir a lot like I'm doing right now, because if it gets to harden into a lump, you kind of just can't undo it. You have to start over. So be patient, start slow, let it melt, and it will be perfect. And we're almost there. What I love about this dessert is, I mean, obviously it's simple as anything, but also it gives me an opportunity to use glassware and little dishes like this that, you know, we get them from our moms like I did, or our grandmothers, or they've been passed down in your family and they just kind of sit there collecting dust. Pull out your fancy schmanciest stuff and put the simplest dessert inside. If that took 5 minutes, that would be a stretch. Now I'm gonna add a splash of rum because I want to. Oh, it's so good. You know, some. Give it a little bit of that. Now let me get my berries. This is just regular grocery store frozen berries. Look at that. Hot white chocolate over cold frozen berries. And then garnish with a little sprig of mint. Look at this 5-minute dessert. Look at that. Oh, now I gotta get a photo of it.